Very good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about the subject of energy technology, unit to conventional energy. Last class we are discuss about what do you mean by conventional energy sources and then types, and briefly explain about the what is the thermal power plant, working principle and advantage disadvantage. Today we are discussing about hydel power plant. Is nothing but hydroelectric power plant. Same procedure. What is the merit and demerit, and then what are the possibility to location selection. We discuss today's section. First goes to introduction. The hydroelectric power station is nothing. Is the water is stored in the form of kinetic energy. That kinetic energy is converted with the help of mechanical system into the electrical energy. Around the world, 30% of total power produced by the hydroelectric power plant. The total consumption of world is 2724 megawatt. In India, we are producing around 84 megawatt. It is almost 25.32% of total electricity energy generation. We are already producing 40% of energy. 60% of energy through thermal power plant. It is a basic requirement for the selection of site or place. And first you can go the availability of water. How much of water is available on that place. Another water storage. Water head. Water head means the height of the water storage place. Accessibility of site, because the construction is heavy, we need to equip very heavy equipment, so we need to easily access the site. Distance from the load center, basically the electricity transmission, it is possible to have more losses. In India, we have the current losses almost 10%. Suppose it is transmit the 100 megawatt from Chennai to Madurai, means it is possible to lose 10 megawatt. So we need to avoid such losses. We place nearest to the load center. And then geological characteristics of site. It is possible to continuous rain. It's a highly essential. And then another one parameter, the people was land is another problem. We need to vacate the people and settle the money from the government side. It's a black diagram. Every diagram you can go the list out the what is the component. Reservoir is a storage place, dam, and then gate, penstock, such tanks, supporting block, powerhouse inbuilt with by turbine, generator, draft tube, inlet wall is connected to the turbine to the tall water, and then control room, transformer, it should be convert low level to high level of power, and then transmission tower. It's all common inbuilt with by hydroelectric power plant. Let we discuss about each and every component. Reservoir is a water collecting area during the rainy season. It is stored in the reservoir. A dam built across the river, adequate water head. Suppose we are not have adequate water head, it is not possible to produce electricity power. And then penstock. Penstock is nothing but concrete or steel tube. Water is passes through reservoir to turbine with the help of penstock. It's a diagram. So the red mark is a reservoir. It's a water storing place. Penstock is a connect between the turbine and the reservoir. And then search tank. It is one of the important tank. It is installed between the turbine and the reservoir. It is used to safeguard of the turbine. Suppose we are suddenly close the valve, it is possible to create a water hammer effect. It damages the turbine. What is a water hammer effect? It is possible to ask 2 mark. When the load on turbine decreases, we are reduce the water or stop the water flow. It is possible to backflow. It is create either increase or decrease the pressure. It is possible to damage the turbine plate. So avoid. It is called the water hammer. So to avoid water damage, we need to place the such tank above between the turbine and the reservoir. It is what is the use? It is a control and regulate the sudden water overflow and protect the penstock tooling from the bursting. It is possible to avoid the damage also penstock. It is a such tank. It is placed between the reservoir and turbine. It is protect the penstock. Next we discuss about the powerhouse and then water turbine drop tube. Generally powerhouse, it is inbuilt with the transformer, generator, it is have control room. Water turbine is nothing but we are using the 3 type of turbine. Turbine is a device, it should be converted any type of energy into the mechanical energy. Thermal power plant, it means it should be converted thermal energy to mechanical energy. Here it should be converted pressure of kinetic energy of water, it should be converted mechanical energy. If we are using the 3 type of turbine, Pelton, Kaplan and Francis. Regarding the application, the turbine is differently varied. We discuss later. And then draft tube is connected to the outlet of the turbine to the tail. So look at the powerhouse. It have turbine, generator and draft tube. Next we get trail race. Trail race is the downstream level of the water discharged from the turbine. And the generator, it is a machine, it is converted mechanical energy into the electrical energy. A step of transformer, it is we have alternating current produced by the generator. It should be step up our requirement with the help of step up transformer. It is a generator transformer. It is a bottom side of the tail water level. This is tail water. It is connected to the river. Spillway is not belongs to the hydroelectric power plant. It is protected for safety valve to protect the dam. It is allow the over discharge of the water. Next we discuss about the working principle. It is use of the potential energy of water. Potential energy of water in the water is stored in the reservoir. The water from the reservoir through the penstock and forced through the nozzle. The nozzle is placed before the turbine. The hydraulic turbine is converted to the kinetic energy of water under the pressure into the mechanical energy. The shaft rotate, already generator also produce the electricity. The electricity step up with the help of transformer to increase the voltage. Power feed the transmission line for the distribution. The output power of hydro power plant depend upon the head of the water store in the reservoir. We have the heavy head, it have high potential energy. The formula potential energy is mgh. So we have high head, we have high amount of potential energy. It is possible to produce maximum hydroelectric power. With the example in the Vaigai dam, it is only produced for 6 megawatt. The water head is as compared than Mettur dam or Periyar dam is lower. But Periyar dam it is produced around 12 megawatt. Is compared than it have high water head, it is possible to produce more amount of electric power. Classification. According to the classification, quantity of water. Suppose river, pi channel means it is availability of water based on the availability of water, and then availability of water head, and the load characteristics and the plant capacity, types of fall. And we discuss in the 5 topics. according of the water. Run of the river water is nothing but we can divide water from the river and routed another one line converted to the electrical power energy. And then storage plant, it is a dam. We cross and find out the place and build the big construction to generate the electric power. A pumped storage plant is nothing but is a specially involved reversible turbine which is placed on inside the reservoir. During the peak hours, the pump packed the water, the lower reservoir, to the upper reservoir during the peak hours. It is only operated by the peak hours. Tidal plant, we are already say the tidal plant. It is a daily rise and fall of the ocean water due to the tides. We can use that power convert the electrical energy. And then availability of water head. Lower head means the dam height around 30 meter. This type of dam is called a lower head plant. The sideways stream discharge from the river of the dam. Vertical shaft here we can use Francis Kaplan turbine to generate the electrical power. It is possible to ask 2 mark or either multiple choice question. Medium head means the head is lying on 30 to 70 meter. Here we can use Francis turbine. Water is carried under open channel from the main reservoir to 4 pay. Then the power goes through the bend stock. We can use a separate bend stock to convert the electrical energy. Here we are not using the lower head, we don't need bend stock. High head plant. High head plant is around 70 to 500 meter. It have the high amount of water storage energy. It is generally used by the mountain. The Papanasam Dam one of the example, and then our Periyar Dam is another one of the example. When it is working for season of raining season. We can using the to construct the metal or concrete for the bend stock. Here we can use the Pelton wheel turbine. Generally we can use. According to the plant capacity, micro hydel power plant is the smallest. Example, Vaigai Dam is a micro hydel plant, and the medium capacity plant, Periyar Dam, is a medium capacity plant. High capacity plant, it is produced more than 100 megawatt. And then super hydro, it is a super hydro power plant, is capacity of more than 1000 megawatt. India have the 3 or more super hydro power plant in India. According to the load characteristics, the character of the based on load of the system, the need to supply constant power when connected to the grid. The constant power is the main parameter. Big load plant, suppose heavy rain means that time only the plant will be operated. Otherwise, it will be very, very ideal. And then we go to the discuss about merits. It's require no fuel and it is possible no pollution and low operating cost. Any other plant is a very, very low operating cost. Simple construction is require less maintenance, very robust and durable. Yes, it is everywhere well. Its operating principle is very, very robust. The reservoir and dam can also use it for irrigation. We can use main purpose irrigation. Hydroelectric is another additional uses. Demerits, very high initial capital cost. Skilled person required to construction for the dam. And then high cost of transmission as a plant is normally required. Fear of the hills, we can construct the hills means it need high amount of transportation cost. It have the term delay period to commissioning the plant. It is a heavy construction. Generally, it is possible for the delay period. is another one main drawback. Recapitalization of people and payment companies is very main plan for the government for the land acquisition. In Vaigai Dam and Periyar Dam, still now the payment is pending. That way the people was using that land to the lower level of water available in the dam. It is possible to ask two more questions and then part B questions. Thank you for watching. Kindly ask any kind of question regarding this. We can ready to answer. Thank you.